What is up, Hollywood stars? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can see from the title of this video, it's going to be all about the brows. So yeah, basically this video is going to be just slightly different. We're not really going to be doing a makeup tutorial, but we're doing a brow tutorial, how to tame your brows at home. So if you want to know how to tame the brows at home, then just keep watching. And of course, like always, don't forget to shine bright because it's Slow Hollywood time. Alright, you guys, so I'm very up close and personal because, as I already introduced in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I tame these really crazy brows that I have going on. So it's super easy. So basically all you're going to need is basically 4 things. So number 1, you're going to need some tweezers. So these are just by Benefit. I really like these because they're very pointy. I can really get little stubborn hairs, and they also have this little like brush on the side, which makes it super easy to tame the hairs. Next, you're just gonna need a spoolie like this one. Really any spoolie would do. This one's just by Morphe M115 brush. Or you can use the Benefit that already comes with a little brush. That would work as well. Next, you're going to want to get a colored pencil that's going to be lighter than your skin tone. Usually, I like to use something like this. This is just a Pro Pencil in Base 1 by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I really like this one. It's very creamy and it's also lighter than my skin tone. Also, if you don't have the Anastasia Pro Pencil, you can always use a colored eyeliner like this one. This is just a NYX Milk Liner. I used to use this all the time and it works just as great. So first off, we are going to go ahead and brush the hairs however it is that you want to brush them. I'm going to be brushing mine a little bit upwards just because I have been liking that feathered look. So I'm just taking my spoolie and just brushing the hairs up. Also, by brushing the hairs up, you're also going to get a better idea of where to outline in the bottom of the brow. Okay, so I'm super zoomed in, I know, but I promise you this is for your own good. That way you can see every little detail that I'm doing. So I'm taking my Pro Pencil in Base 1. And essentially, I'm just going to be outlining the bottom here. And I'm going to be basically just following the basic shape of my eyebrow, the natural shape it has. So basically something like this. Perfect. So once you have that line, you can kind of already tell between the two. This already looks a lot cleaner than this one. So basically wherever we outlined, wherever we have that colored pencil, that's where you're going to want to pluck. So any hair that lies in that colored, you're going to go ahead and pluck. So I'm taking my little tweezers here and I'm just going to start to pluck. Also, by the way, it does help if you have a magnifying mirror. It's just going to make your life a lot easier and really be able to see all the little hairs that you might have missed otherwise. So as you can see, I'm just plucking out every little hair that is in that colored region. Super easy. Honestly, like at first, you might not think it's doing much, but once you rub that color off, oh my god, the results are amazing. I feel like it looks like I just got a wax. No joke. So I basically have plucked almost every single little hair from the bottom section. So now also you're going to want to pluck the unibrow that I have going on or that you have going on. And then I like to go in with just any shader brush. Anyone really will do. And all I do is just kind of diffuse this color down here. That way I can really see if I missed any of the little hairs. So now I'm just plucking any little hairs that I might have missed. So like this one sticking out. So basically that's all I'm going to do for the bottom section. So now I am going to go ahead and start to comb the hairs to the side, so not really upwards. So just so I can really see this top section and make sure I get any of those straggly hairs out of the way. So same concept, I'm going to be taking my Pro Base pencil. This isn't just the base number 1, so nothing different, but I am going to be outlining this top section. So very carefully, just see where you want your brow to start. So just like so, and one more time, taking our little tweezers, and we're gonna go ahead and just start plucking anywhere where we added that color. I feel like I've been doing this for such a long time now that like plucking doesn't really hurt anymore. Obviously there is some little hairs sometimes like down here really close to my lid where they kind of do hurt and they kind of make my eye water a little bit, but definitely nothing like super bad. So I think definitely if you just do this, you'll definitely get used to it and it's not even bad. Alright, so basically once you've taken all the hairs out, then you're going to go back to the little shader brush and you're just going to diffuse that color once again. Just like so. So again, we're taking our little spoolie and we're brushing the hair again. Just to double check that we didn't miss any little hairs. So I feel like it looks pretty good. What do you guys think? From this side to this side. So this is basically the whole step on how to achieve these perfectly tamed brows at home. So another little step that you can do is you could trim your hairs. So all you would do is just kind of brush your hair upwards. And you would just take some little scissors and wherever you see the little hairs are like way too long, you would just trim right here. But like I did mention, I am kind of going for that feathered brow, so I'm just going to go ahead and leave mine like that and not even trim them. But I think it looks pretty good, pretty tamed compared to how they were. So I hope you guys learned something today. Let me know down in the comments section if you've tried this technique or how you feel about it. And also, if you feel like this is a great tip that you're definitely going to try next time, then don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video, Hollywood stars. Bye!